A certified Nissan Master Technician. I am certified for electric vehicles, diesel, and also GTRs. At the vet program, when I realized that it just was not for me. I couldn't really grasp the biology of it. I had a hard time with, that type of subject. And then I think what threw me over the edge was we had to go into class one day and we had to dissect a skinned cat in a bag. That freaked me out. I couldn't do it. I remember just walking out of the office after dropping out of the classes, and I was walking to my car and I'm like, what am I gonna do? Like, what am I gonna get myself into? Where am I gonna go from here? And I just walked to my car and I'm staying there, and I almost kind of had like a little epiphany. I'm like, I got my first car and it wasn't running right, so I had to save up money to fix it, and it was constantly always in the shop. So I'm like, what if I just start fixing my car? Like, what if I just get into something that I can help myself on? Because I was in a situation where I couldn't afford to fix my car. The job, I was 17 years old. I was already kind of on my own, so I was kind of forced to grow up at a young age. So I'm like, okay, I got to do something that I can learn, I can benefit from, and, expand my knowledge, something that's, very broad. And that's one thing I found in the automotive industry is there's so many different opportunities in this one industry, whether you end up fixing cars or being in the service or parts department. I just feel like there's something in the automotive industry for everyone.